We often talk about taking care of different parts of our body, but often our brain can be overlooked. So today, let's make an easy smoothie that will give our brain some love. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we create recipes together in the kitchen to keep you motivated, inspired, and healthy all year round. Today we're going to be making a healthy brain smoothie. To your blender, add the juice from 1 lemon, which is packed with vitamin C, that has been shown to protect your brain against cognitive decline. So eating foods that are rich in vitamin C really help protect your brain as you age. Next, I'm going to add in 1 frozen banana, which is one of my favorite foods to add to a smoothie because of its creamy texture. But bananas also help promote a positive mood and may help prevent depression. So just like these beautiful yellow colored roses make me feel happy, a banana does the same thing, but from the inside out. Next, let's add 1 cup of frozen riced cauliflower. And now cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and broccoli help reduce inflammation in the body, which is one of the main causes of diseases, including brain disorders like Parkinson's. 1 tablespoon of either coconut oil or MCT oil, another powerful brain food. But it's also going to help our bodies absorb the vitamin K from the cauliflower, and vitamin K helps support healthy bones. 1 to 1.5 cups of your favorite unsweetened nut milk, and you really want to be sure to use unsweetened so you don't have any unwanted added sugars in there that actually increase inflammation, which is what we don't want in the body. The next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our Clean Source Collagen's powder for some added protein, and also it helps support healthy digestion, joints, hair, and nails. Last but definitely not least, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of spirulina, which is a blue-green algae that really helps detoxify the body from heavy metals. It increases your energy, decreases inflammation, and can help improve cognitive function. Blend up all of your ingredients until smooth and creamy, adjusting the amount of milk you use to find your desired consistency. Okay, let's give this smoothie a try. That is really refreshing. I love just that little bit of lemon juice in there. The banana sweetens things up nicely. It's not overly sweet though. And I didn't use the full 1.5 cups of milk. It just depends on how you like your consistency. And you definitely can't taste the cauliflower, so don't worry about that. It's a great way to get in your vegetables, and it's an excellent way to take care of your brain. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, stay connected by subscribing to our channel, and reach out to me in the comment section below, especially if you give this recipe a try. I look forward to seeing you again next week in the kitchen. Bye.